There is everyone's question: how can we create Mars a habitable planet? Can we make Mars a livable planet? So, in this video, I discuss about making Mars a livable planet. Terraforming Mars, making it habitable for humans, involves a complex process of modifying its climate, atmosphere, and surface, potentially through initiatives like releasing greenhouse gases, focusing sunlight with mirrors, and potentially even using nuclear explosions. Here's a breakdown of the key aspects. The current state of Mars. Mars has a very thin atmosphere, mostly composed of carbon dioxide, with virtually no oxygen. The thin atmosphere allows temperatures to drop drastically, especially at night. Mars lacks a global magnetic field, leaving its surface vulnerable to harmful solar radiation. Mars has vast amounts of water ice at its poles and potentially subsurface, but also has a lot of dust. Terraforming strategies. Thicken the atmosphere. Releasing greenhouse gases like methane or other synthetic gases could trap heat and warm the planet. Focusing sunlight onto the planet's surface with giant mirrors or reflective satellites could also help melt polar ice caps and release more CO2 and water vapor into the atmosphere. Elon Musk has suggested exploding nuclear bombs over the polar caps to vaporize frozen carbon dioxide and melt the ice. But this idea raises numerous scientific, ethical, and legal questions. 4. Create a magnetic field. A magnetic field is crucial for protecting a planet's atmosphere from solar radiation, and Mars currently lacks one. NASA is exploring ways to create a magnetic field around Mars, potentially by using a large space-based magnet or by inducing a magnetic field in the planet's core. 2.18. Introduce water and life. Melt water ice from the polar caps and potentially subsurface to create lakes, rivers, and oceans. Introduce plants and other life forms that can thrive in the new environment. Develop technologies to extract oxygen from the Martian atmosphere and create a breathable environment. Challenges and considerations. Timescale. Terraforming. Mars is a long-term project that could take centuries or even millennia. Technological advancements. Many of the technologies needed for terraforming are still in the development stage. Ethical and legal issues. Terraforming raises complex ethical and legal questions, such as the potential impact on any existing Martian life and the responsibility of terraforming Mars. Dust. Mars is covered in fine red dust that could clog machinery, damage equipment, and even get into astronauts' lungs. Dust storms. Powerful dust storms can last for weeks, blocking sunlight and making solar power unreliable. Alternative approaches. Subsurface habitats. Instead of fully terraforming Mars, humans could live in underground habitats, protected from the harsh surface conditions. Domes. Large, pressurized domes could also provide a safe and livable environment on the surface. Current research and exploration. NASA and other space agencies are actively exploring Mars, searching for evidence of past or present life, and studying its potential for human settlement. NASA's Perseverance rover contains a small-scale demonstration of technology to produce oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. NASA is also researching food systems, life support systems, and power systems for future missions to Mars. So in this video, I told everyone's question, so please subscribe to our channel, Nilakshik Gaming. Press the bell icon so you will get the notification of upcoming video. Also like the video. Thanks for watching.